Did you know that by age 50, nearly 80% of adults have some degree of cartilage damage in their knees? That means every time you walk, stand, or take the stairs, you may be grinding bone against bone slowly, painfully. But here's the good news: cartilage can be rebuilt. Not with expensive surgery, not with steroid injections, but with food. Yes, food. Your kitchen can become the pharmacy your knees have been begging for. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful categories of natural foods proven to support cartilage regeneration. These insights are backed by NIH, Mayo Clinic, Harvard Health, and real-world examples of people just like you who chose food over pharmaceuticals and got their lives back. So, if your knees creak like an old staircase, stick around. This may just change your life. 8 powerful food groups that rebuild cartilage. 1. Collagen-rich foods, the raw material of cartilage. Cartilage is made largely of collagen, which acts like scaffolding in your knees. Without it, the structure collapses. The best sources: bone broth, especially simmered from beef or chicken bones for 8+ hours. Chicken skin, fish skin, gelatin or collagen hydrolysate supplements. NIH-backed studies have shown that collagen intake improves mobility and reduces joint pain in osteoarthritis patients. Drink 1 cup of bone broth daily, and many people report noticeable improvements within 3-4 weeks. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids, natural inflammation fighters. When cartilage wears out, inflammation creeps in like a fire. Omega-3s act like a hose to that fire. Best sources: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, olive oil. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who consumed omega-3s at least 3 times weekly had slower cartilage loss than those who didn't. 3. Vitamin C, the collagen constructor. Vitamin C isn't just for immunity. It's essential to form the structure of collagen in your joints. Rich sources: bell peppers, especially red and yellow, oranges, grapefruit, lemons, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli. According to Mayo Clinic, just half a red bell pepper contains more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. 4. Sulfur-rich vegetables, joint lubricators. Sulfur plays a key role in the creation of glutathione, a master antioxidant that protects and lubricates your joints. Top foods: garlic, onions, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, egg yolks. AgingCare.com notes that diets rich in sulfur improve flexibility and reduce morning stiffness in seniors. 5. Mineral-dense legumes and seeds. Your body needs zinc, magnesium, and copper to form healthy cartilage. But many older adults fall short. Eat more of these: beans, lentils, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, spinach, oats, quinoa. 1 cup of lentils gives you nearly 20% of your daily zinc requirement, critical for cartilage regeneration. 6. Natural anti-inflammatories. Certain foods fight inflammation without the side effects of NSAIDs, like ibuprofen. Top anti-inflammatory picks: turmeric, with black pepper to boost curcumin absorption; ginger, fresh or dried; Tart cherry juice concentrate. Pineapple contains bromelain. Cinnamon. WebMD confirms that turmeric, when taken consistently, reduces arthritis symptoms within 4-6 weeks in clinical trials. 7. Calcium and vitamin D, bone foundation. Strong bones support healthy cartilage. Weak bones stress joints, speeding up wear and tear. Eat these: milk, cheese, yogurt. Sardines, with bones. Fortified almond or oat milk. Kale, collard greens. Don't forget 15 minutes of morning sunlight or consider vitamin D3 supplements. Cleveland Clinic reports vitamin D deficiency contributes to joint deterioration. 8. Antioxidant-rich berries, cellular bodyguards. Free radicals act like rust on your cartilage. Antioxidants clean up that rust. Top fruits: blueberries, cherries, especially tart cherries, pomegranates, blackberries. Even a small square of 70% plus dark chocolate is great for joints. Eat 1/2 cup of berries a day. Think of it as joint insurance. As a doctor with 30+ years in aging and musculoskeletal health, I've seen the same mistakes repeated over and over. Here are 3 common knee health killers. Too little protein. Cartilage is protein-based. Many older adults undereat protein, especially women. Overusing painkillers, NSAIDs mask pain, but long-term use may damage your gut, kidneys, or liver. Neglecting minerals, without zinc, calcium, and sulfur, cartilage repair stalls. My advice: build your plate around real food, not pills. Add color: orange carrots, green kale, red berries. Consider working with a registered dietitian specializing in senior care. Let me introduce you to David Reynolds, 67 years old, from Toledo, Ohio. According to ABC Local Health News, David had chronic knee pain for 12 years. His doctors pushed for knee replacement surgery. But he decided to try one last thing: nutrition. His 4-month regimen: daily bone broth, sardines 3 times/week, turmeric latte each morning, smoothies with spinach, flaxseed, and frozen blueberries. Results: after 2 months, less swelling and easier walking. After 4 months, back to hiking with his grandchildren. After 6 months, blood tests showed reduced inflammation and X-rays revealed stabilized joint space. I gave my body what it needed, and it did the rest, David said. And he did it without pills. Without surgery. Just food. Let's be clear: cartilage damage isn't the end of your mobility. It's the beginning of your comeback. Here's what you can do starting today. Add bone broth to your breakfast. Sprinkle flaxseed or chia seeds on your salad. Cook with onions, garlic, and turmeric. Make berries your go-to dessert. Replace soda with tart cherry juice. Healing takes time. Maybe weeks. Maybe months. But your body wants to heal. You just have to give it the tools. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone dealing with joint pain. Your support helps us reach more seniors with science-backed, gentle, and practical health advice. Until next time, eat well, move gently, and remember your joints deserve healing. Disclaimer: This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.